Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a video on how to perfectly paint your nails like a pro, or like you just came from salon but you didn't. You were at home having your me time. You actually painted your nails perfect and you can do it every single time. So let's do it. First thing you will need is a base coat. Base coat is the first step of any good manicure, and especially if you're having natural nails like I do. If you use nail polishes a lot, your nails can get stained throughout the time and they can get yellow from nail polish use. But if you use a base coat like I do, I use it all the time. There is no situation that I will not use base coat because I know the importance of it. So you apply it and it just will give you nice layer of protection and also will give you perfect base for nail polish that you're going to apply. But you want to allow some time for your nails to dry before moving to nail polish application. When it comes to nail polishes, you wanna clean the brush from the bottle like you can see it on the video, and one side you want to have loaded with nail polish while the other side doesn't have any nail polish on. This will prevent flooding the cuticle area, and that is something that it's common mistake when it comes to beginners and people in general. I used to do it myself and then I learned it because I would get too close to the cuticle. Just you can see it here. If my brush was loaded with nail polish, I would 100% flood everything around and make a mess. But this way you will not do it. But my recommendation would be to take your time when it comes to painting your nails. You are not running a marathon, you are painting your nails. So take it as your me time. And for me, the most easier technique is to create a little dot and then push it up towards the cuticle area and then down. After that, you want to swipe the sides, and also you wanna wrap the tip. Wrapping the tip, it's called capping the nail, and it's something that everyone does, and it's super important when it comes to manicure lasting and also protecting your natural nails in the process. So you just wanna wrap the tip or cape it, however you wanna call it. And yeah, that's basically it. After that, you want to continue on painting your nails. As you can see it here, it's very easy. You can even go with more little strokes until you get the hang of it. You can see my hand shaking a little bit, and I just wanted to show you that even if your hands shake, you can still create perfect manicure and just have it get the hang of it, and it just takes time. Now that we apply the first coat, you want to allow some time for your nails to dry between the coats. This is the time I would paint my other hand's nails before going to the second coat. But here we go, and I'm applying a second coat. Every manicure I do, I always apply 2 coats because I think it gives you the best opacity. It just makes everything look very nice, and I don't know, I just like it that way. I think the 2 coats are needed when it comes to manicures, and I think it just makes the color pop and make it look better. And I don't really know any nail polish that claims that it's perfect in 1 coat, even though I do own some nail polishes that are perfect with 1 coat, and with those nail polishes I do just 1 coat and then top it with some top coat and everything. But most likely you'll see me apply 2 coats. And then you can also use a cleanup brush so you can clean up any mistakes if you made some, and also go around your cuticle area for more sleeker look, and continue on painting your nails like you normally would. And I absolutely love doing my nails. I think that nails are just accessory to any woman, so why not make the best of it and just make them very sleek. You don't have to have long nails, but I think that you need to take care of your hands. I think that even short nails look beautiful and classy, and I love that. Sometimes I love making my nails short, and other times I love them long. So yeah. After that is done, you want to top it off with some top coat, and top coat will give you that glossy finish. It just melts everything together. It makes it look super shiny. It makes it look very chic, which is something that I adore. I also have to say that top coat is my favorite part of any manicure, and I even have a tip. I reapply my top coat throughout the days. So if I do my nails today, tomorrow I will go back and reapply a top coat. I would do that throughout the time that I'm wearing my nail polish, and this will not only prevent your nails from chipping, it will add beautiful shine, because throughout the time you wear your nail polish, you'll notice that they are not as shiny, and if you reapply a top coat, you'll see look amazing again. So here is the finished look. Ta-da! I hope you like it. Leave me a comment below because I want to hear what you think in comment section below. I love our community on here. If you're watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe. I feel like everyone says that, but if you're new, please subscribe because it would mean a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!